How to connect n8n with OneDrive. To do that, first head over to your n8n workflow, then click onto this plus icon. Once you're in there, search for a specific node. So let's search right here for OneDrive. And find right here Microsoft OneDrive, so let's proceed to click on this. Choose right here the action that you want to use. So for this case, we have in here folders and files option. I'll head over and choose right here this get a file. After that, click onto this select credential. And once you're in there, proceed to click right here into the create new credential. Now click on connect my account. And then this would open right here this window that allows us to connect or sign in into our actual Microsoft account. Once you have successfully signed in, you should be able to connect it right here. And you can just use it as usual. Just modify the parameters that you want for your actual workflow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.